What is going on, YouTube viewers, especially of my channel, The Chocolate Solution? You are in the embassy of entertainment. Experience the chocolate solution do what he does best, and that's work. Yes. You see, I got that pink Himalayan salt and that butter in that pot. Okay. We have some penny pasta in there. Now we're washing our chicken. Wash your chicken. Wash your chicken. Wash the chicken. Wash your chicken. Yeah, we got to transfer it to that glass pan right there. That's going to be going into the oven because I'm going to roast this chicken a bit before I start stewing it. See, I'm seasoning it with ground black pepper. And there should be some oregano. Hope you guys are doing fine today. That is that garlic pepper. I absolutely love that stuff. And that right there, that's Mediterranean herb seasoning. And that's only gonna go on the chicken. That's not gonna go on the penny. Now, the penny I'm treating more like a Mediterranean Alfredo. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is really more of a finesse. You see, I have that. I probably have my favorite vehicle to cook in right there. That small iron wok right there. Absolutely love it. You see, I got some of that pasta water off in there. And that's 2% milk that I'm adding to the penny and to the sauce or the gravy, you know, what have you, that the chicken is going to be stewing in. I have 1/4 of butter in there. That's that garlic pepper, salt. And that's Italian seasoning for the penny. Yes. Now that's white pepper, ground white pepper. I don't, don't use too much of that. That was onion flake. This is the pink Himalayan garlic rock salt. Just giving that several cracks in there. That, of course, is that multi-seasoning, that multi-spice and seasoned Italian seasoning. This is the roasted vegetable seasoning, and that is onion powder. And now we're giving it a quick stir. Now, the goal tonight is a bit of a finesse, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's a finesse. It's a finesse because I'm using 0 cheese. Now, those of you out here who knows that, cheese is like mostly a milk base, primarily. You know where I'm going with this. You know where I'm going with this. You follow me as we add a bit of turmeric in there just for like a more yellow hue to our chicken. That's basil leaf. I think I put garlic pepper in there last. That's more of that veggie blend going in that penny. And I have a palm full of pink Himalayan salt that I'm putting in there. So yeah, this is more like a Mediterranean dish. Guys, I'm gonna tell you something that I've never told you before. I have a shellfish allergy, okay? If I were not allergic to shellfish, this would be a shrimp recipe. Yes, it would. Now, I know how to cook shrimp. I can make it. I wouldn't be making it for myself though. I'd be making it for somebody else. But yeah, it's unfortunate. So, I was like, what can I pair? What can I do to compensate for lack of seafood, you know. And I wanted to use that. I seen it in the store. I wanted to use that. I wanted to get that Mediterranean herb. I'm like, what am I gonna do with this? And I was like, I could use it. I could use it to like season chicken, I guess. At first, I wanted to make this like salmon, but you really don't stew salmon. So I wanted something stewed at the same time. So I went ahead with the chicken thighs. It's all good. Right here, ladies and gentlemen, right here. This is going to be a high point of the video. If you made it this far, stick with me, because I had an idea. I really don't watch what other people do, to be honest. I know it would probably be for my benefit to do so, but I'm not a copycat. So I'm getting this tomato chopped up right here, and you're gonna see what I'm about to do with this. I'm about to put some black pepper. I'm just gonna do a quick season on these tomatoes. So I'm using black pepper. This should be cilantro leaves. And this should be basil. Yes, tomato basil. Yes. And here comes the pink Himalayan salt. Yes. That's going in that air fryer pan. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what I'm saying right there. I'm speaking to a different audience. Yes. It's more than, I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say it. Boy, do more than just YouTube. But, it's all right. It's all right. I got that lemonade sitting right there. Oh, this is a good lemonade, by the way. Got my lemonade and water. Just, staying hydrated out here. I'm setting that for 10 minutes. I'm just going to let those tomatoes do a quick roast. Yeah, so... yeah, no more buying sun-dried tomatoes for me. No more. I can do something. If I can originate it, oh my goodness, I'm gonna do it. I do stuff from scratch. I'm sorry. That's just the way I am. Okay, getting that garlic chopped up right there, adding half to the penny and the other half to that stewed chicken. Stirring up our penny right there. Making sure everything's cool. See, it's a good grade right there. And of course, getting that chicken stirred up as well. Getting that garlic spread out evenly. Now here we have our kale, ladies and gentlemen. I forgot to mention that I'm going to be roasting some kale to go along with this. And it is absolutely good. You wouldn't believe. You wouldn't believe me. But this, like I said, this entire thing, like this entire video is a bit of a finesse. So the kale I'm chopping up is for the stewed chicken and the penny. So that's not going to be standalone. I forgot that part. Half of that mushroom is going in the kale. Half of that mushroom and that kale is going into the pot with the penny. I think I may have said something wrong. But yeah, half of that mushroom went in the stewed chicken. So you see right here, we have the final product of our tomato. It had a chance to roast a bit in the air fryer. It is absolutely good. Oh gosh. Yo, the tomatoes alone were good. I'm telling you right now. Getting it all mixed up, we have our 3 colors in that penny. And we're taking some of that stewed chicken gravy and putting it into that small cast iron skillet. And this is what I'm going to use to fry the kale in. Fry, saute, same thing. There we go. Off to the races. Getting it cooked on down. Looks absolutely good. Tastes good. Getting cracks of that pink Himalayan salt in there. And you know, we're just kicking it around that skillet, adding a little bit more water to it so it doesn't stick too badly to the cast iron. And the final product is just, oh goodness. Here goes the plating, ladies and gentlemen. The base. It's that penny, oh goodness. Then we have that fried kale on top of it. I put it in a bit of a circle, kind of, because I want that chicken thigh to go right in the middle. And I'm from down south, so I want a little gravy on the top of it. You know what I mean? I want a little gravy on top of it. Look at that. Look at it. Look at that. Admire the elegance. Yes. Yes. Admire the elegance. Oh, my goodness. Whew. I'm telling you, looking at this right now, I want some more. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what to do. If you have enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave me a like as it helps me out. Stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, it's been real. See ya!